Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
How to put coconut oil on your hair to stop it from thinning or falling out. Coconut oil can be used for all kinds of things. It comes with a countless number of benefits. Lately, it has become one of the most widely used ingredients for homemade skin and body creams. Moreover, it has proven to be extremely effective for removing the annoying gray hair and preventing hair loss. Benefits of coconut oil for hair: prevents and stops hair loss. Coconut oil is a great ingredient for hair loss. It contains healthy fat, which will nourish the scalp and fight skin infections. Moreover, it will reduce the inflammation. In order to use coconut oil to prevent and stop hair loss, you should combine 2 tablespoons of sage oil and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Cook the mixture over low heat and leave it to cool down. Then, when it becomes warm, apply it all over your hair. Next, cover it up with a shower cap and leave it overnight. Wash out in the morning. Repairs hair damage. Coconut oil is a great remedy for hair damage. It strengthens the shaft and reduces loss of protein. Moreover, it repairs split ends, makes your hair smooth. If your hair is frizzy and dry, you definitely need coconut oil. It will repel the water and retain the moisture in the hair due to its hydrophobic effects. You should apply coconut oil 10-15 minutes before washing your hair. Fights dandruff. Coconut oil will help you eliminate irritating dandruff. You should combine equal parts coconut oil and castor oil and massage into the scalp. Leave in for 30 minutes and wash it out. Reverses gray hair. Coconut oil will keep your hair healthy and prevent the pigment cell die-out from happening. All you should do is massage your hair with the oil and some lemon, 15 minutes a day. The results will amaze you.